Hello everyone, so now I'm going to share the next assignment for the automobiles data. I need to create a report or dashboard on the automobiles data. So data is about the trip analysis. So we can see this requirement. I need to create a KPIs for total miles, revenue and the cost. Revenue versus miles by shipping state. The revenue versus miles by shipping city, total trips versus trips by trip types, percentage of the trips by shipping straight, the revenue miles versus total miles. Save this Power BI file with the name automobiles analysis. Okay, I need to create the report. Should be like this. Okay, let's move towards the Power BI report, and this is the report I have made. Okay, so I have added the heading as the trip report analysis. Then I have added the slicers for origin state, trip type, and quarter. As per the requirement, I have added this state. All origin state we can filter on the particular state, particular trip type. We can see here are some trip type: domestic, intercom, international. So there are these three trip type, and these are the quarters one, two, three, four. So here we can see I have added one donut chart for the total miles by trip type. So there are three types: domestic, international, and intercom. So the most maximum number of total miles is from this domestic one. Then the least number is intercom. Okay. Then this revenue and shipping cost by total miles. So this is the KPI I have added, and in the KPI I have taken the indicator as revenue. The trend axis has total miles, and the target goes with the shipping cost. Okay. Then I will show you the cards. How I added the cards. So I have added these all the cards for this revenue, shipping cost, total miles, profit, revenue miles, profit miles. Okay. So I will show you. I have created the columns for that. I have created one new column for the profit. Profit equals to the revenue minus the expenses. So in this case, the profit should be would be like trips of revenue minus total miles, revenue minus total miles. Okay. So it gives us a profit. Then the profit miles, how I calculated is profit miles equals to divide by the divide function. We divide the profit and total miles. I divided the profit by total miles, and the alternate value is should would be zero. Okay. So this is the profit miles. Again, the revenue miles I have did. Revenue miles equals to divide sum of trips revenue and the trips total miles, and alternate value is equals to the zero. Okay. So then we can see this total miles and the loaded miles. I have shown in the pie chart. So the total miles is 1 million. So it is a 61.39 percentage, and the loaded miles is at 38.61 percentage. Okay. Then the chart is the line clustered column chart. Here we can focus on this particular visual and see the total miles, and the dark one is the revenue. So this line showing the revenue cost, and these bars are showing the total miles. Okay, for that particular state. So this is for this Indianapolis. We can see 63K is the total miles, and the 365K is the revenue. So we can analyze for other all the states. North group is having 63K total miles, and the 374K is the revenue. So more number of the revenue and the total miles is from the Indianapolis. And the next and this. From the Bangor, the less number of the 53K is the revenue, and the 397K, sorry, 53K is the total miles, and the 397K is the revenue. So we can analyze this. The next one is the revenue and total miles by destination city. So we can zoom it and see. I have added the clustered column chart for this. I have added the we can see revenue and the total miles by particular state. For the Cincinnati, it is giving the more number of revenue. Total miles is a 5425 0.05 million, and the 0.40 million is the revenue. So more number of the revenue is from Cincinnati. The less number is from the Milwaukee. Okay, 3.32 million is the revenue, and the 0.06 million is the total miles. You can see that. Then this next is for the this is the table I have. This is the matrix I have taken. So we can see destination, state, or domestic, intercom, and international. These all are the trip type. So there are three trip types and total for that particular destination state. You can see that from this table. Then the next one is the revenue and total miles by destination state. So we can zoom it out and we can see. So revenue is for the IL is revenue is 2.97 million, and the total miles is 0.48 million, and then less is the IA. So we can analyze the revenue and total miles by destination state from this chart. Okay. So this all about my report, and thank you for